Hey everyone, I'm Katie Evans with the Living 48 Real Estate Team, and we are housed here over at Keller Williams Realty East Valley. We're excited to have you back for another one of our video blogs. All right, today we're going to review an article that just came out not too long ago, August 4th as a matter of fact. It was written by Kara Amir, and it's entitled The 8 Truths About Buying New Construction in 2020. Because our inventory has been so low and remains so low, new construction is becoming more and more of a viable option for people who are looking to buy a house, especially here in Arizona. Builders are building specs, so we might be able to find one that will be done here in the next month or so, or we might be looking at more longer term waits, like 9 months to a year, depending on build times, depending on the neighborhood, depending on what it is you're looking for. So we did want to just go through her 8 truths about buying a new construction home because they're really, really great. So we'll just run through these really fast. If you would like a copy of her article, please let me know. I'd be happy to email that to you. All right, so she says, with heated real estate markets throughout so many areas of the country, Arizona is a very, very heated seller's market right now. This sector of the market has been moving fast as the pandemic has motivated people to seek places that truly optimize their ability to live, work, and play all in one place. So what that kind of tells us is right now everyone's having sort of a shift, a mindset shift in what it is that they're looking for, as well as what's available to them. Previous years we saw an increase in people looking for more urban, wanted to be close to the restaurants, wanted to be close to the action, close to the museums, the nightlife, all that kind of stuff. Well, all that's sort of dead in the water. We're working, we're schooling from home, we're living from home, we're doing all these things. So they're now looking for maybe different things. Community amenities, the home, the layout, the different functionality of the rooms. And builders are always really, really good to pivot quickly to give the consumer what it is that they are looking for. So 8 truths about buying a new construction home in 2020. First one, working with an agent who's well-versed in new construction is invaluable. That is so true. Little tip here for you. Builders are such that they want you to bring and register with your agent the first time that you go. So don't think that you're going to slide in there, have a look, and then bring your agent back the next time. At the very least, give your agent the heads up so that they can call over and say, hey, can I either jump in really quick and pre-register them before they come, or do I need to be there with them, or will you just honor the registration if they bring my business card? So lots of builders are willing to do that, but we need to let them know at your first visit. In fact, you need to check in with your agent before you have your first visit, okay? Number 2, not all builders are the same. Oh my goodness, is that true? Not all houses are the same, not all quality of construction is the same. So talk to your realtor, find out, do a little research on the best builders that are out and available to you right now. It will save you so much money and heartache in the long run if you're buying with a good builder, okay? Not just because they're building. All right, number 3, inventory is uber tight. Yes, that is very, very true. It's a result of the V-shaped recovery that we have been having going on right now. So yeah, not only is the resale inventory super tight, so is the new construction inventory. So you may be on a waiting list, you may be waiting for a while. We may start to see bidding happening on lots and all kinds of different things that we were doing before. Number 4, there will likely be price increases. That is very, very true as well. You're gonna wanna get in there, lock in your price, and know that by the time they start building your house, that most likely you're gonna have some really nice equity already in that house. So don't think, okay, well, we'll be ready in 9 months, so we should go look at new construction at that point. Let us know before that. Okay, number 5, builders aren't giving much wiggle room. Yes, that's true. They don't have to. Demand is high. They just don't need to negotiate with you on their prices. They don't need to negotiate with you on much of anything. So there is very little wiggle room right now. Number 6, the process will vary depending on the builder. Yes. And so again, bringing your agent with you is going to help you understand the process. It's going to help you manage the expectations. You're going to have an advocate on your side, not one that's working for the builder, but you're gonna have your own agent. So again, another really important reason why to have your own. Number 7, expect delays. We're gonna need to make sure that you have a plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D in place so that when those delays happen, you're prepared. What do we do if we sell your house and your new house isn't ready? Where are you living? What if your lease is up? expect delays, and let's make sure that we've got contingency plans in place for those delays. And number 8, sales contingencies can be problematic. Now, what I will tell you is they can be, but in the market as it stands right now, builders understand how quickly houses are selling. So they're actually less of a problem right now than they've ever been before. All right, that's kind of the 8 tips that she has in her article. I think they're wonderful tips. Wanted to share them with you. If you're considering a new home construction purchase, please reach out to our team. We have helped several of our clients walk through and get through that process. We do it all the time. We have relationships with those builders and their sales force, and we would love to extend that professionalism to you and those relationships to you as well. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions that you might have. We are here to be your resource, always here to be your resource. So how can you get in touch with us? Well, if you're looking to get in touch with me directly, please feel free to reach out to me on my cell phone, and that is 480-415-1341. If you're looking for any other team member on our team, check us out on our website, and that's www.living48realestate.com. And you'll be able to find all of the other agents and helpers on our team and their contact information there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you're staying safe and staying healthy, and we will see you soon. Have a great day.